Hey, hello guys. So today we will look into the understanding of Azure AI C# client library with integration of the MAUI. Yeah, multi-platform application user interfaces. Okay. So for that one, so I have used the package references here. So Microsoft extension AI it is there. Okay. And it is the Microsoft extension AI Open AI. Okay. To interact with the GPT. And this is the Azure.ai OpenAI. It is for the authentication perspective. And this is the MAUI tools are there. Okay. So we will also look into the code flow and along with the running the application with the practical example of the prompting with the GPT it is there. Okay. So tools here I have used the Android emulator it is there. And so .NET framework, I have used Microsoft .NET SDK, it is there along with the .NET 10 Android, it is there, and the we will look into the Windows and Android only. So I am referring only those framework versions are there. So .NET 10.0 and for Windows 10 it is there. Okay, all right. So let's try to understand how the code is arranged here. Okay, so okay, before that, we will create the GPT model. Okay, so here we will go to the ai.azure.com. Okay, okay, so then we will go to the full model catalog here, and we will select GPT 5 mini. Okay, okay, so this is nothing but the Azure AI Foundry it is there, and whenever you check the Azure resources into the Azure portal, you will have the resources for the Azure AI Foundry. This portal is nothing but creating the your Azure resources using this Azure AI portal. Okay, so I will use this model. Okay, so naming this one. Okay, I will keep as it is, whatever it is there, and we'll just click on create. Okay, so this will take couple of minutes there. Okay, so let's check portal.azure.com. This should get reflected into our Azure portal here. It should create the Azure resources. Okay, it is being created. Okay, so it is in flow. Okay, so meanwhile we will look into the code. Okay, so this is the entry point, and so ultimately MAUI using the it is the WPF model it is following. Okay, for the view model concept it is there. Okay, so here this is the most important stuffs here we have written add chat client with tool. Okay, so here we have created some tools here, weather tool for predicting the weather forecast, and the calculator tool it is there for calculating the expressions there, and file operation tool it is there. Okay, and the system info tool it is there. So file operation tool it is basically for the uploading perspective, and the timer tool for the calculating your time timer. Okay, so let's go into that one. Weather tool it is there. Okay, so this is the AI function. Okay, those are introduced by the Microsoft uh, client extension it is there. Microsoft extension of AI it is there. Okay, and this will use we need to override this JSON schema here. Okay, so this is the most important turning point here stuff here. Okay, so based on this schema, your all the miss prompt are being executed. Okay, so here once this JSON schema is formed appropriately, so the AI function will take care of invoking of this core async, and this is the AI function argument. This is the most important here. So this will have the our arguments. Those are means interpreted by the GPT. Okay, so you have to override this core invoke core async function and the JSON schema property. Okay, all right. So let's see what is the status of this one. Okay, this is being configured. Okay, so now we are going to deploy GPT-5 mini. Okay, here I'm going to click on deploy button. Okay, so still it will take few minutes. Just a minute. Click on the C sharp. Okay, and copy this key and then put it into the this API key here. All right, and also we need to set up the endpoint also. This is what the endpoint here. Notepad. Okay, we will copy and we'll paste it here. That's all. Okay, now let's check what is the model name. It is the deployment name. This is important GPT-5 mini that should get matched to the this model. Okay, all right. So now let's check what is happening behind the scene. All right. Whenever we click on the send button, so this should get executed. This chat view model it is there. Okay. And also we will confirm whether our resources are being configured or not. Perfect. All the resources are being configured. Now let's check with the our Azure Android emulator API 33 Pixel 7. Yes, the emulator is up now. Now let's check the deployment of the application. It is in progress. Perfect. Let's wait for the application is up. Okay. So let's click on this prompt. What is the weather it is? City. Okay. So it came to the send prompt. Okay. Can send. Okay. Message. Then these are the chat option we have specified here. Okay. So calculator tool, weather tool, all the chart option we have specified here, and it will take the weather tool chart option. Okay, that we have seen the how the chart option weather tool it is consuming the AI function. Okay, let's see. Okay, now get response it is there. Okay, chart client dot get response. So that should invoke yes. So it comes here JSON schema. Yes, so response it is there. Yes. Now let's check. This is the most important stuff, the argument here. Okay. So what are the arguments here? The location and units. Okay. So this is the it this function segregated all the arguments from the prompt. Okay. This is the location and units. All right. So based on the our JSON schema, your properties are being binded. Okay. This is the most important stuff here. And let's see. Let's run that one. Okay, so this is the it is showing the some temperature. Okay, so it is some taking some mock weather. It is there mock weather data. So, but our important stuff here. So segregating the arguments from the your prompt. So this is how we can integrate the Azure AI within the MAUI application. Okay, so now let's check it for the Windows application also. Stop debugging here. Windows machine. Okay, perfect. So application is running in very good state. What is the weather in Mumbai? Okay, press enter. Okay, okay. Now let's check the arguments here. Yes, so it is automatically detected the location. It is in Mumbai based on your JSON schema, and the temperature it is in Celsius. Okay, and based on that one, so temperature is being calculated. Okay. Yeah, it is something mock data it is there. Okay. So now let's try to change the schema, JSON schema. Just a minute. Here we will check the country. We will add the country here. New string. Okay. Now our argument should have these three values: location, units, and country. Let's see whether it is working or not. Okay. What is the weather in Pune? It is being executed. Now let's check how the arguments are being. Yes, perfect. Three arguments are there now based on the JSON schema. Okay, so it is the country code. It is showing the country. All right. And temperature in Celsius and the location it is there. Let's see. Yes, this is the mock data. It is there. Okay. So our main goal it was to invoking this core async function based on the JSON schema. Okay, so to understand to AI function, you need to check the Microsoft extension AI libraries. Okay, so this is what all as of now. Thank you.